Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. Daily Scrum is a light and fun informative meeting. It's a space for each team members to answer the following questions. What did you complete yesterday? What are you working on today? And are you blocked by anything? One of the most important things about Daily Scrum is it demands accountability. People should report honestly on what they did, what they plan on doing, and how they might be getting blocked in the process in front of all peer partners. Now there is one advantage to this. To report in such a social setting sets up the team for success because it would be embarrassing not to be showing progress in front of the others. I've seen that in many organizations, the Daily Scrum was conducted in the online meeting platforms, particularly in the COVID crisis. So this is more easy in the age of internet too. However, please always remember that face-to-face meeting and communication always wins over any other way. So let's now study the details of the daily stand-up meeting. About the participants. Attendees of the meeting are all the members of the Agile team. This includes the development team, Scrum Master, and the product owner. The meetings are conducted once per day, typically in the morning or the first hours of the work. There is no need to book any meeting hall or say any conference room to conduct the meeting. Also, because arranging for the sitting arrangements for the meeting takes time, it should be a quick stand-up meeting. Daily meetings are usually done for the Agile framework such as Scrum and Kanban. Note that except Kanban and Scrum too, there are many other Agile frameworks, but Kanban and Scrum are the most popular among the others. Please note that the daily stand-up meeting is not the formal and an in-depth meeting. Its main function is just to let everyone know quickly what's going on across the team. Its main purpose is to communicate or answer three important questions. What did I complete yesterday? What will I do or work on today? And am I blocked by anything? Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.